It's getting cold outside. A lot of people are looking to book vacations somewhere down south where it's nice and warm, whether you're looking to go to Mexico or Aruba or even just Florida. I've heard, it's a good idea if you shut down your water in your home or even in your condo, and that way you don't run the risk of flooding happening or pipes bursting in your home. So what you're going to want to do, if that's your case, it is a good idea. Okay, you're going to want to go to your main water shutoff here in my house. That's why I'm on location today. It's right over here. That's the main source from the city. You want to turn that off, and then go to all of your sinks and turn on all the taps, and you want to drain all of your pipes from the water and just let them drain. I would keep still water in my toilets just because otherwise they'll start to smell. But for the rest of your pipes, etc., you're going to want to drain that out. Again, so you don't have to worry about freezing. If water's in the pipes and for some reason your furnace shuts down, and it's happened to us before, we're on vacation and the house gets really cold, what happens is the water inside the pipe turns to ice. Ice, obviously, sort of water expands when it's frozen, and it can burst the pipe. Second thing is, in case there might be a leak that might form in there too. Again, you're preventing any of that from happening if you shut off the water at the main source and you turn off all of your, if you drain all the pipes from the water. So it's always, sometimes people say it's good practice. Have you done in the past? What do you think? But yeah, so shut off the water at the source and then drain all of your sinks. Bye for now.